Peace, what's good, guys? So, it came today, Thread Beast, and I already unboxed my items. I got 5 items, and all my stuff was casual. So, it's really cool. Um, I think it's worth getting. I got the essential package, which you basically get like 5 items for $85 a month. The basic is like not even worth it because you only get 2 or 3 items for $55 a month. Then you have the premium plan, which is I think I'm gonna say 130 or 150 a month. You get like 6 or 7 items. And then they have the baller package, which is $250 a month. You get like uh, 8 or 9 items, and you could possibly, if you're lucky, get shoes. I've seen people get shoes in some of those, but it's $250 a month, and who's gonna pay that? Because that's like $1,000 within a month. So there's no point doing that. In my opinion, within 4 months, you would have spent $1,000. There's no point. But I've already done my unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys like what I got. So yeah, sorry about that. Let me get behind my chair here. So this is my first shirt I got. It's a nice gray Levi shirt. This is probably about $15 if you were to go into a basic mall anywhere. About $15. It's a Levi, and like I said, this is casual. It looks nice and comfortable. This is something I would wear to the gym, obviously, or going to work, or hanging out with the boys, whatever. This is just, like I said before, all casual wear. Put that right there. This is a nice blue and dark blue and black checkerboard flannel. Very nice. I love my flannels. It's by Dope, so a big shout out to them. I need to actually check out some of their stuff because this looks nice. Once again, this is casual. I forgot to mention earlier in the video that all my stuff was a large, but this is definitely, something that you could go to school in for your college classes. You can go to work in as well, depending on like where you work and if you can dress down or whatever. This could even be done for like an interview, a job interview somewhere. I don't know. It's kind of dark though, but you could get by with it via a job interview. I don't know. Just my 2 cents. Next, I got a very nice dark green heel figure long sleeve. Looks comfortable as can be, man. Love it. I love the material. Feels very comfortable and everything, man. This is definitely worth it. I got all dark colors, as you can see. I like wearing dark stuff for some reason. Don't know why, I just do. But this is definitely worth it. Side note, I guarantee you guys this had to be at least, I'm going to say, between $25 and $30 for this. There's no way you're getting this in the mall or anywhere. No less than 25. I mean, no less than like 20 at the bare minimum. That's bare minimum. But yeah. This is definitely nice. It's definitely nice right here. Definitely fall and winter. Then I got a short sleeve shirt from DKNY. So that's nice. I like the nice little pocket material for the pocket. Really cool stuff. Large as well. Dark blue. Nice stuff. So yeah, really nice. Definitely gym worthy, or just hanging out with the boys. And then last but not least, I got a very nice, dark green jacket by Jay Walker. Very nice. Very, very nice. And this probably looks like, I would say, maybe 30 to 40. Probably 40. Closer to 40. So, but yeah, this is definitely nice. This is worth wearing as well. So, yeah. But that was that. Now, I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. It was, for me, for my first box, it was worth it. Because most of that stuff I would definitely wear and proudly wear. So, yeah. But once again, if you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description below. Thread Beast. It's worth it. Hopefully next time I can get some hats and like maybe a wallet. Just, hopefully a hoodie, couple jeans would be nice. So yeah, it's worth it. I'm gonna definitely give it a shot. I ordered it earlier this month, but so far so good. This is a pretty good first unboxing, and I do like it. I'm very pleased with it. Most of the stuff I would wear. For those of you that don't know, that it's basically like a clothing spot that gets close from like wherever you shop at. So they got like Zimmies or whatever. They've got PacSun, which is what I got. They got stuff from Ross. I think you can get some stuff from Hollister. It's really cool. I need to go back and edit my profile and select some more stuff. All my stuff that I selected was from PacSun. I need to do some more selecting. But I'll definitely link that in the description below. Got you guys later. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe. Deuces. Peace. It was well worth it.